Hello guys, this is me, your art mentor, Asan. In this video I am going to tell you about types of pencils. What are the range of and what are the shades and tones of pencil in which we are going to achieve the tones of any sketch. From light to dark, how we go from light to dark. So in this way the series starts from simple HB, and in this way it goes on. H pencils, there are series of H pencils are light. Then comes B are in the dark shades. So one by one I am keeping these in line, in sequence wise, from light to dark. From B, HB, 2B, 3B, 9B. This is a 8B and 9B pencil. 9B is the dark one, and their leads are thick. In this way I am going to show you and will simply draw lines to show the lightness and darkness of H pencils and B pencils. Your all sketches will be going to be in these. So now we will check how this works. This is H pencil, the light one. When we draw anything, we start from light to dark. Sometimes we start from dark to light. So in this way we can achieve these in pencils, in these graphite lead pencils. This is the 1 point dark one from the H1. So in this way, from light to darker tones, I will show you in upcoming drawings how to render any drawing, any object when we draw. And this is the darkest from the previous one, and the shades goes on. This is the more darker one. In this way, this is 8B. This is far darker, much darker. So in this way we achieve the shades and tones of any sketch. While learning or studying any object, we use these pencils. This is the lighter line. In our all pencil sketches, we will use these ones. We draw with basic lighter tones. When we finish the drawing, initial drawing, we draw it in lighter tones. Then gradually we use the darker ones for rendering, and in this way the final touch we give in the any of the selected pencil. This is HB pencil. This is HB is in between the H series and B series. We can also use the pressure while using HB pencil. The pressure is the main element in any of the drawing, whether it is digital or manual. So in this way we achieve the drawings. So in this way, now I will draw boxes and fill these boxes with their respective tones from lighter to darker tone. In this way we will, this is the lighter tone, this is the one, this the, and from light to dark we are going from light to dark tones. So this is the best way to achieve any rendering, any realistic rendering. You need to buy these pencil for your art, for your rendering, for sketches. Thank you guys.